Hi, I'm Eric Niederbrach with the Niederbrach team ReMax of Naperville, making a short video to remind you of the top 3 things to do come springtime. The first step come springtime is to clean all that debris out of your gutters and your downspouts. Get the gloves out, scrape it out, and if your downspout has a clog, go ahead and take your hose and just flush it down. The second thing to do come springtime, don't forget to spray annually for the bugs, to keep those pesky stink bugs out and to keep those carpenter ants away. Step number 3 come springtime, we want you to plan that landscaping. Plant that grass seed, trim those bushes, dig those bushes out. There are 2 times a year that people really get that landscaping done, and that's springtime and in fall time. And if you're looking to sell your house or really knock your neighbor's shoes off, start it now. If you need any referrals or anybody to help you with this work, please give our office a call. We got that. Once again, my name is Eric Niederbrach on the Niederbrach team at ReMax in Naperville. Thank you for watching and have yourself a great day.